You can go ahead and start. It's not going to be my full screen, it's just going to be this part, but at least that way it is what it is. And then you can go through it because I can't do anything else. So it's recording everything right now, but it's all good.
Cool.
Okay, so just sit down and go through it.
Be the one awkward person standing up.
All right, let's go.
So this is our project called Project Game on video games and platforms and which people play on, and so what did we do? We made a poll, threw money at our computer. Wait, to be more precise and exact, we pretty much made a survey and posted in like gaming places like Facebook gaming groups where you can talk about really games or anything you like doing in video games, and Discord, which is a chat app made for people who like playing video games and has different people who just talk about games or play them.
So 178 people took our survey and we posted it on Discord, which is a site for gamers to chat and talk about games and anything. And we put it on Facebook gaming groups, so people that play games can take the survey, and that's how we got 178 people.
So we have a pie chart for how many people took the survey. So 20% took used smartphone for gaming, 32.6 used console, and PCs 35.4, and others 11.8, which includes like any sort of Nintendo or any other handheld or any other sort of a console or really any.
Okay. The total users from the data we collected, 63 users were PC gamers, 58 users were console gamers, and 36 users were mobile gamers.
So the bar graph is pretty much shows the same data, but just in a bar graph of relevant to others and what has more and what has less. And the radar chart, it looks cool, and it shows which way it most lenient towards, as in like the data. So it leans away from things that have less and more towards like PC and console, for example, which have much more than smartphone and other. And it's more leaning away from other to smartphone and console and PC than anything than other.
Right. Bias. What was wrong with our survey? The poll was only for US, but it was intended to, the intended view was for people who watch content about video games or, play video games.
That's it. Cancel this. How does one stop recording? Alright, how do you stop the recording?
Let's just bring your computer back.
Oh.
Poor individual.